Alright, hello and welcome to a new video. So today we're going to do how to make sad, like Iann Dior, Juice Wrld, guitar type melodies. So, I'll just play the melody and then we'll discuss how I made it. So the first thing I did, I got this guitar from the Omnisphere Bank, 808 Mafia Omnisphere Bank, and I put this ARP on it. And I half split it, put some delay, and then I'll show you the chords. It's just a chord progression, so it's in D minor. So D minor, so 1, D minor, G minor, G, 1, 4, and then this chord right here is A sharp major, so 6, and then inverted down to here, and then 3, F major. So it's basically starting out with the minor chords in the scale and then going to some of the major chords just to give it kind of like the melancholy, you know what I mean? Like, so it's not dark, but it's like dark emotional, you know what I mean? Like, dark happy, you know what I mean? Kind of like a Blink 182 vibe. That's what I was going for. And then I put this pad on it from the 808 Mafia Omnisphere Bank with a half speed on it as well. And then all I did after that was I played some of the notes in the chord. So let me bring it. I brought it up an octave, so it's the 5th in the chord, and I played a note that's in the chord, I mean in the scale but not in the chord. Then I played these two notes which weren't in the chord, but this one was. It's just alternating between notes that are in the chord and not in the chord. And also, you know, you see the A's. I tried to start all my melodies, like every bar I tried to have something at the second spot right here. So A sharp, A sharp, A sharp, and then there's also an A here, so it's like a consistency to the rhythm, you know. That's pretty much it. This is a bell from the 808 Mafia Omnisphere Bank. It also has a half speed on it and a delay, simple delay. So basically, like I've been saying in my other videos, all you've got to do is just get your chords right. So what you can do is just go online. You can look up the chord progressions, you know, for famous songs. Like, let's say you listen to the Beatles or whatever, like a Blink 182 song. They'll have like a chord progression, and then take that chord progression, write it down into FL Studio, and then memorize like the numbers. So let's say their chord progression goes D G D G, so then remember in your head 1 4 1 4. That works to get the vibe of that song, and then you can use it in another song. So it's I don't know how to explain it much more than that, because that's what I did. I just memorized a bunch of chord progressions and then started using them. You know, I don't really know too much theory behind chord progressions, but so let me know if you guys have any questions or any other type of requests.